What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's Buddy Technoboy, and in today's video I'm gonna unbox and check this pen tablet, and I'm gonna tell you details about this thing. Before I start the video, let me tell you that I was searching for the pen tablet for a long time, and then after a long research I have found this one. The brand name is GAOMON, something like that, of course made in China. So the point is, you're gonna get a good pen tablet within a budget price. So if you spend a lot of money, more money, you can get more things, as you know. But within a budget price, you get the nice thing. So this is the one, and you can draw a nice thing. You can write it down. You can use it for online classes, teaching, and everything. So let's unbox this thing and connect to the PC and check it out. Alright, so this is the box, and here I can see it's made in China, of course, Shenzhen, China, and the MRP was 4,699, but on Amazon I got this for 1,999 only. Within 2,000. This is a very wonderful pen tablet. So at the back some specs are there: battery free pen, 10 mm reading height, 5080 LPI resolution, 266 pps report rate, and all the stuff. So here it is. What I get at the top is documentation, huge documentation. This is huge. It's much more than a book, because the links are there to download the driver manual. You need to go to that website to download the driver and also the manual. This is very important because you need the driver and also the manual. And here on this side, that's the connection card. One side is USB A type and on the side is USB B type connectors, and that's the pen. Two buttons are there, very light in weight, just a little bit of thick, not that much. And that's the tablet itself. Here you can see, very good in size, and the writing space size is 6" this side and 4" on this side, I guess. 4 buttons are there. The logo is here, GAOMON, and at the top side that's the USB B type socket. At the back, nice rubber pads are there. That's it. And what else we get? We get this USB adapter type C to connect to your mobile phone, and we get this ring to hold the pen, to clip the pen. And here also paper manual is there just for the connections. Alright, so that's it. Now let's take our laptop and connect it, download the driver and all, then I'll show you how to write it down. So just wait for a second. Alright, so I have connected this thing. That's the USB to my laptop, and this is the one. And here you can see the light is on. The light is kind of dim. When you take the pen close to this board, then the light glows like that. You can see. The fact is, it might work on Windows 10 without downloading any driver, I guess. But I have already downloaded the driver from this GAOMON.net download right there, and here you can see those drivers. Whiteboard, full screen snip, that kind of thing is there. So first you can check if this thing is working without downloading the driver on Windows 10. If it doesn't work, then download the driver from that website they have provided. So now let's check how it works. So I'm going to open Paint app. And now let's try this one.
It's your time. Don't be held back again.
Hello.
You need to resist. You're on limits. This fire is burning. You need to embrace all that you are. Step.
That's it. You can see it's nicely working. As this is the first time for me, so it's taking some time. I need to do some practice on this thing. So that's it. It's very easy to use and all. So I'm gonna check later. If you guys want any review videos of this thing, you can ask me in the comments below. I'll definitely try to make one reviews after I became the master of this thing. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.